Hi ladies, I am here to do my 14-week pregnancy update. So I am 14 weeks and 2 days today. Not much has really changed since last week, but I have had a couple new symptoms. I'm in my two youngest daughters' room because my husband is working at home today, and so he's been in the bedroom, and so I just thought I would come in here. And the light was really good. The sun was shining really good, but it's kind of gone behind a cloud and then it's kind of peeking out a little bit. So if the light changes during this video, that's why. So sorry about that. Okay, moving into symptoms for this week. One of the symptoms that I've been getting this week are Charlie horses in my legs. And I always get those when I'm pregnant. And so those have not been fun. Mostly it's kind of been more in my foot that I get them, but I have had some that have kind of been up in my calf. And if you've ever had a Charlie horse, they hurt so bad. But I've been waking up with them, and I've been getting them just like randomly in the day when I've been walking around. And I know that they say that that's kind of a sign of maybe you need some calcium supplements. So when I go into my midwife appointment, which I have in a couple of weeks, I will talk to her about that and see if she wants me to take like a calcium supplement or something. Another symptom that's been new this week for me is round ligament pain, and it's only happened a couple times, but it's just like if I've gotten up out of bed too fast or just like turned wrong, I'll get like a pulling kind of crampy, almost kind of like a Charlie horse, but just not as intense, kind of on the right side of my uterus. And I know what it is because I've had them from previous pregnancies, but so I guess that's just, you know, the uterus is getting bigger, and so it's pulling on those ligaments that support it. So that has been one thing that has been kind of going on this week. I haven't really been nauseous anymore. I did a little bit, was a little bit nauseous yesterday. For the most part, I really don't have any nausea anymore. And I feel like my fatigue is gone. I feel so much better. I have so much more energy, except for when it gets to be night. Then like I've said in my past videos, when it comes to night and bedtime, I get really tired and just need to go to bed. But during the day, I've had really good energy. So it just feels good to be energized and start kind of feeling like myself again. And with that, I'm going to start going on walks so I can kind of get back into shape a little bit, because being sick and everything, I haven't been doing any kind of exercise at all. So I'm going to start going on walks because I can't run. But we've been having beautiful weather. Holy cow, this winter has been so mild, knock on wood. I've just been loving this weather. It's been like in the low 60s, so it's been great. I haven't gained any weight this last week. I've been weighing myself at home in between going to the midwife appointment, but I haven't gained anything this last week. But I probably will by the time I go in a couple weeks. I've been having like really vivid, crazy dreams though. The last like couple weeks I have been having a dream like every single night, and they're so weird and so just crazy. And I think it has to do with the fact that I'm getting up in the night to go to the bathroom at least like 3 times, and so I think that kind of interrupts my sleep. Okay, so the battery on my camera just totally shut off, so I had to go dig out the charger, so sorry about that. But I was saying that I've been having really crazy dreams, which I have had a lot of weird dreams, and I don't usually remember my dreams that often, so it must just be because of the fact that, like I said, I'm getting up, and so I'm kind of in that lighter sleep all the time. Which brings me to my next symptom of urinating several times in the night. I gotta stop drinking so much at night. Sometimes I'll have like a smoothie later in the afternoon, and I'm thinking I probably shouldn't do that anymore because I think that contributes to it. These have been my thing lately, which kind of I'll go into my next thing of cravings. Smoothies have been something that I've been craving a lot, so I need to just start drinking them earlier in the day so that doesn't happen anymore, because it gets tiring getting up several times to do that, but it's okay. So yeah, so smoothies has been something that I have been craving. My other cravings have just been, I've just been craving like a lot of fruit, even though I know that kind of goes with smoothies, but like fruits, all different kinds of fruits. When we go to Costco, I buy like almost every single kind of fruit they have there. And then salty things too. I've been really craving a lot of salty things. I'm usually a sweet person, like chocolate and ice cream and all that, but for some reason sweets haven't really been doing it for me, which is probably a good thing. So yeah, I haven't really like craved a particular thing other than like smoothies and fruit. It's just kind of whatever sounds good to me at the moment that I'm like, oh, I want that, I have to have that. I can't really think of anything else that has been going on this last week. One fun thing that I got this week is I ordered a fetal Doppler, and it came yesterday, and this is just, it came in this box, and I can just show you what it looks like. It's just the pocket fetal Doppler. It just looks like that, and it's really easy to use. And they even gave me like a little tube of the gel, which I know you can use like aloe vera or something like that. So when this runs out, then I'll get some aloe vera, but it's really easy to use and I love it. And I used it yesterday and I found his heartbeat, and so I will go ahead and I'll just insert a clip of that at the end of this video so you guys can hear it, because it's like the best sound in the whole world and I could listen to it all day. So if you guys are pregnant and you are looking for a Doppler for at home, I really recommend this. And I think I just got it at fetaldoppler.com, I think was the name of the website. But yeah, it just comes with like a user manual and all that stuff. So yeah, so I've been loving this. There isn't really much else to update on. I will go ahead and just show you guys my 14-week belly, and then yeah, I'll be on my way and you can be on your way. So here it is from the front, and I feel like these stripes are making me look bigger. And then the side. My belly button right here, and it kind of sits, he's sitting right down here, so yeah, from the side, again from the front, so there he is. So alright, well, thanks so much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe, and I guess I will talk to you guys next week for week 15. Bye!